again, welcome back to One Honey Bell Kitchen. I hope everybody's doing good today. I hope your family is doing good and you're doing good. You know, today we are going to make gungo rice and peas. The green gungo, the one that I picked right off my tree. So if you don't subscribe to this channel, remember to subscribe to this channel and follow us on Instagram and like our videos. Have a pleasant evening. Mwah. My backyard. I told you I'm gonna cook gungo rice and peas today. Gungo peas with my rice. Gungo rice and peas we call it. And if you see this little tree, it has on a lot of gungo. This is a gungo. And when it is fit, we pick it and I show you, you know, the beans come out of it. And I have a lot of vegetable and fruits around my backyard here, but I'll just show you this. This is a sour tree. And I'll show you some. I'm not showing you everything. And this is a cane, sugar cane. This is a little ackee tree coming up. We have a big one. This is leaf of life. Leaf of life. That is good for medicine. Whenever you feel sick, you can take this. And like if your tummy hurting you or stuff like that, or you catch a cold, you can get leaf of life. Leaf of life is for, you hear the word leaf of life, it is good for a lot of stuff. So now and again we drink it. This is fever grass or lemongrass as you call it. Lemongrass, some people. So I'm gonna cook back to my gungos. I'm gonna cook gungo rice and peas today. And I gonna put coconut milk in there. And as I told you, this is coming from my tree. Yes. So until later. I'm here. I'm cooking my gungo peas as I told you. So this is the gungo. I wash it to make sure it's clean. And the pot, I'm putting it in my pot. I don't put a lot of water in here. If you look, I don't put a lot of water because I'm going to put the coconut milk. And I don't want a lot of water in here. I'm going to put season it. I'll show you how I season my gungo. But you can also use green gungo as well as dry gungo peas to cook your gungo peas. So this is my coconut milk that I got from the coconut that I showed you that I was to cook my. Yes friends, so I told you that I was going to cook my gungo peas and this is the coconut milk. I start cooking the gungo already. When it's half cooked, I'm adding the coconut milk to it. And after it cooked, I'm going to add some, not after it cooked, like about 5 minutes or so, I'm going to add some scallion, some thyme, and some pimento green. They call it allspice. This is my thyme. This bag is from the garlic bag that we buy the garlic in. I wash it, and so I put my thyme in there so that it don't scatter all over the place. So you know, you get the flavor, and I can take it out after I get the flavor from it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm going to let this boil now, and when it's boiling and halfway there, I'm going to season my pot. Yeah, so I'm cooking now my gungo with the scallion and thyme. And now I'm going to take out the thyme. And because you cook out all of this flavor. The gungo is cooked already. Let me show you how soft it is. See, it's soft. So I'm going to add my rice now. If you want, you can put a little piece of butter. If not, you know, if your cholesterol is high, you don't really need a lot of butter and stuff. So you take out, some people like the scallion, but I'm taking out as much as I can take out. And then I wash my rice already, so I'm just gonna put it in. Just like so. Yes. All this goodness, one honey bell. Remember to subscribe to our channel. We need subscriber. Yeah. So we're gonna put it on low to simmer. So next time I show you how my gungo rice and peas is going. Yeah. So this is my gungo rice and peas. It's finished, it's ready, it's shelly, it's nice. So I don't really eat a lot of white rice, but because the gungo is from my tree, I'm gonna try and eat some of this today, and it looks so pretty as well. So subscribe and like to our videos. Bye. Like our videos and follow us on Instagram. This is my nice kingfish with some salad and some rice and gungo peas. Pigeon peas if you please. Yes!